Hi students, this is Tirupati, Department of Mathematics. In this session, we are going to learn 7th Standard Mathematics, Chapter 8, Linear Equations, Method of Transposition. Let's see method of transposition. The process of moving algebraic terms from LHS to RHS and vice versa is called transposition. Transposing terms across the equal to sign segregate the terms containing variables on one side of the equal to sign and constant on the other side. Let's see examples. Transposing a formula using onion skins. Transpose V is equal to U plus AT to make A the subject. Example, we need to rearrange V is equal to U plus AT to convert into an A because A is the desired subject. Draw a skin around A first and then draw more skins radiating outwards until the whole formula equation is circled by the final outer skin. To rearrange the formula, work from outer skin inwards, applying opposites until we reach the required subject letter A at the center. A is equal to V minus U divided by T. It gives A is equal to V minus U divided by T. So, A is equal to V minus U divided by T. Let's see example. Solve the following using transposition method. So first, what is transposition? Transposition means we are going to shift the position of the term from one side to other, or we need to separate variable and constant. The first equation, x plus 5 is equal to 8. Now take the equation x plus 5 is equal to 8. Here x is variable, 5 and 8 are constant. Here we have to find the x value. So transposing 5 to right hand side. Here plus 5. This one moves to right hand side, minus 5. X is equal to 8 minus 5. The value of x is 3. Let's see the another one example. 3 by 4x is equal to 27. Now take the equation. 3 by 4x is equal to 27. 3 by 4 multiple with x is equal to 27. So transposing 3 by 4 to RHS. Here 3 by 4 multiple. Opposite of multiplication is division. X is equal to 27 divided by 3 by 4. Now we have to take the reciprocal. Reciprocal means interchange the numerator and denominator. X is equal to 27 multiple 4 by 3. Now we can cancel the common factors. 3 is the common factor. So 1 3 is 3. 9 3s are 27. X is equal to 9 into 4. X value 9 4s are 36. So the value of x is 36. Now we are going to see exercise 8.2. Find the value of x in the given equations. Now take the equations. 2x minus 13 is equal to 5. Here 2x is variable, minus 13 and 5 are constant. Transposing 13 to RHS. It gives 2x is equal to 5 plus 13. So 2x is equal to 18. Then 2 and x multiply here. Opposite of multiplication is division. So x is equal to 18 divided by 2. Now we can cancel the common factors. 2 is the common factors. 1 2 is 2. 9 2s are 18. The value of x is 9. Let's see. 5x plus 11 plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 3x plus 24. Now take the equation. Now we need to separate constant and variables. 5x plus 4x plus 3x are variables. 11 minus 5, 24 are constant. First, transposing 3x to LHS. It gives 5x plus 4x minus 3x plus 11 minus 5 is equal to 24. 5x plus 4x, 9x minus 3x is equal to, transposing plus 11 and minus 5 to RHS is equal to 24 minus 11 plus 5. 9x minus 3x, 6x is equal to 24 minus 11, 13 plus 5. 6x is equal to 18. Transposing 6 to RHS, x is equal to 18 divided by 6. Now we can cancel the common factors. 1 6 are 6, 3 6 are 18. The value of x is 3. Let's see. Solve the given equations and verify your answer by substitution. Now take the equation. 2 of x minus 5 plus 3 of x minus 2 is equal to 8 plus 7 of x minus 4. Now take the equation. First of all, 2 multiple with inside the brackets. So 2 into x, 2x. 2 5s are minus 10 plus 3 into x, 3x. 3 2s are minus 6 is equal to 8 plus 7 into x, 7x. 7 4s are 28. Now we need to separate constant and variable. Here 2x, 3x and 7x are variables. Minus 10, minus 6, 8, minus 28 are constants. Transposing plus 7x to LHS. So 2x plus 3x minus 7x is equal to, transposing minus 10 minus 6 to RHS. So 8 minus 28 plus 10 plus 6, it gives 2x plus 3x, 5x minus 7x is equal to 20 minus 28 plus 8 minus 20, 10 plus 6, 16. 5x minus 7x minus 2x is equal to minus 20 plus 16. Different sign, subtract and put the greater number sign. So minus 4. Minus 2x equal to minus 4. Now minus x equal to minus 4 by 2 because opposite of multiplication is division. Now we can cancel the common factors. 2 is the common factor. So 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. Minus x is equal to minus 2. Now minus minus cancelling. X value is 2. Now check and verify the answer. Substitute x value is 2. Now take the equation. In x place, we have to substitute this value. 2 of 2 minus 5 plus 3 of 2 minus 2 is equal to 8 plus 7 of 2 minus 4. 2 of 2 minus 5 minus 3 plus 3 of 2 minus 2, 0 is equal to 8 plus 7 of 2 minus 4 minus 2. Now we have to multiple. 2 3s are minus 6. 3 into 0, 0 is equal to 8. 7 2s are minus 14. Minus 6 plus 0 minus 6 is equal to 8 minus 14 minus 6. Now LHS equal to RHS. Hence verified. NRT. Let's see. 8 of 2x minus 1 is equal to 3 of 4x plus 8 plus 4. Now take the equation. First of all, 8 multiple with inside the brackets. So 18 into 2x, 16x minus 8 ones are 8 is equal to 3 into 4x, 12x plus 3 8s are 24 plus 4. Now we need to separate constant and variable. 16x minus 12x is equal to 24 plus 4 plus 8. 16x minus 12x, 4x is equal to 24 plus 4, 28 plus 8, 36. Now get 4x is equal to 36. Now x is equal to 36 divided by 4 because opposite of multiplication is division. Now cancel the common factors. 1 4s are 4, 9 4s are 36. X value is 9. Now check and verify the answer. X value 9. Substitute x equal to 9 in this equation. 8 of 2 into 9 minus 1 is equal to 3 of 4 into 9 plus 8 plus 4. 8 of 2 9s are 18 minus 1 is equal to 3 of 4 9s are 36 plus 8 plus 4. 8 of 18 minus 1, 17 is equal to 3 of 36 plus 8, 44 plus 4. 8 17s are 136 is equal to 3 44s are 132 plus 4. Now 136 is equal to 136. We get the same answer. So LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. Let's see, solve these equations. 35p plus 5 divided by 12 is equal to 15. Now take these equations. 35p plus 5 divided by 12 is equal to 15. Transposing 12 to RHS. It gives 35p plus 5 is equal to 15 into 12. 35p plus 5 is equal to 12. 15 into 12 is 180. Now transposing 5 to RHS. So 35p is equal to 180 minus 5. 35p is equal to 180 minus 5, 175. Now p equal to 175 divided by 35 because opposite of multiplication is division. Now cancel the common factors. 135s are 35, 535s are 175. The value of p is 5. Let's see third problem. 4 of 5a plus 16 is equal to 6 of a minus 35. Now take the equations. Now 4 multiple with inside the brackets. 4 into 5a, 20a plus 4 into 16, 64 is equal to 6 into a, 16a minus 16 into 35, 560. Now separate the variable and constants. 20a minus 16a is equal to minus 560 minus 64. 20a minus 16a, 4a is equal to minus 624. Now a is equal to minus 624 divided by 4. Now cancel the common factors. 1 4s are 4. 156 4s are 624. Now get the a value is minus 156. Fifth one, find the value of x in each of the following. 4 of 2x minus 1 divided by 3 minus x is equal to 4 by 7. Now take the equation. 4 of 2x minus 1 divided by 3 minus x is equal to 4 by 7. 7 transposing to LHS, 3 minus x transposing to RHS. It gives 4 of 2x minus 1 multiple 7 is equal to 4 of 3 minus x. First of all, multiple with 4 into 7, 28 of 2x minus 1 is equal to 4 multiple with inside the brackets, 4 3s are 12 minus 4x are 4x. 28 into 2x, 56x minus 28 into 1, 28 is equal to 12 minus 4x. Now separate the variable and constants. 56x plus 4x is equal to 12 plus 28. 56x plus 4x, 60x is equal to 12 plus 28, 40. X is equal to 40 divided by 60 because opposite of multiplication is division. Transposing 60 to RHS. Now cancel the common factors. X value is 2 by 3. Thank you, students.